long as it don't bother you, it don't bother me. Fine as a thistle whisker. Are we rolling?
Yeah.
Excuse if I don't look directly into the cameras. I'm a bit of a broken into shambles right now. Todd Gloss here with another lackadaisical expressing yourself, getting into detail, get in touch with yourself, letting your feelings flow. We got a new product today, actually. Somebody could pass, yep, if I could just get the box. Thank you, Geraldine here. It's one of my aunt's friends. She's from out of town. She likes to help out she helps me meditate and get into my counselings, and just so I don't get a little too loony upstairs, you know. Recently went through a divorce. It looks like a piggy. New product for the day, it's the Ultimate Rinse Cup. You can put your brushes outside, put some sunglasses on them. Damn it. On the bottom, if you can see, it's some ridges on there, so it's easier. It gives it a good texture to really give it something to grab hold to, and wish I had something to hold on to at night. This is a baby blue tone, like a little baby otter heart. If you can't afford this one, it's okay. Sometimes I can't afford stuff that I wanted. I couldn't afford my last wife. She cost a lot of money. You can put it on the bottom of a cup, a solo cup. I'm solo right now in my life. I painted that a little while back. We're gonna get to painting and I'll show you how good it works. I go like this. Sometimes people are afraid to do this. I just get right into it. This is Clementine Cautionary. So it's an orangish pumpkin spice, a little pumpkin pudding tone, jazzy pink lemonade right here. This right here is a sky malt blue. You ever had malted milk balls and went to the movies? I used to go to movies. I don't go to movies anymore. Ninja Turtle emerald green, Carolina sunset blue. You can just dip in here and make a little line between it so you don't confuse them. A little bit of the pastel peach dust. This is a seafoam shamrock. And you have to have a nice granite, charcoal, penguin foot. Anyways, we're gonna get started. I'm gonna lather up the corners. Just move in any shape, really. There's some trees over here. I didn't know what I was doing at first. It's kind of like in life, but I still don't know. So painting is kind of the same way. You just kind of just go with it, kind of just see what happens. Okay, that's about enough of the shamrock. Just so you know, this is the paint puck. This is a suction cup that goes right here. I can't open this so the water would go out. As you can see, can we get a good look at that? It's washing off. I'm drawing some Piggly Wigglies down here. Some little UFO pigs. Put a little more sky blues. I like to brighten up my days sometimes, just do a little sky blues. Sometimes I paint the picture of the type of day that I would like. This is a good opportunity to use the paint puck. As you can see, I'm gonna switch up colors and probably divvy off into the Clementines. A lot of people are pushing a lot of buttons right now. It's all buttony. I like to button my shirts up and then unbutton a couple of them, just keep things flowing. It can wash off your brush in no time. Shimmy off the sides. Draw a couple of mingos. I guess 2, because if there was 3, then I'd have to draw 4 so that they aren't lonely with each other. Give them a couple of tractors. Well, I'm just tidying up some of the turtles. They're facing each other, just facing each other's problems and going head on with the world. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish this up right now. A little bit of this, a smidge of here, a little bit right there, and that's about as good as it's gonna get. It's about as good as the goose is gonna gander. My little Jody Husky over here. You see how those opaques and those turtles really bring out the blue in his eyes. And when you mesh it all together with how you're feeling, then you get a little supernatural situation, a little Vanilla Gorilla. Vanilla Gorilla album, I think that's gonna be coming soon. It'll probably make me feel a whole lot better inside. That's been another episode of Todd Gloss. And make sure to go pick you up one of these nice and nifty paint pucks. Don't be afraid if you can't afford it, you can get one of these numbers that goes on the bottom of the cup.